Hey guys, what's up? It's Eric with Advanced Level Automotive. Just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of some of the stuff we're working on. All right, so over here we got a cammed out Z06. We just got done installing a high performance clutch in this thing. And right now we're busy wrapping the headers.
Feel that?
And over here, we're finally getting the motor back together for the Lightning. As you can see, we got the long tube headers on it. The supercharger reported it yesterday. Just kind of got it mocked up. Here's the other piece that's going to go on there, which is the nose piece of this. So it's powder coated to match the truck, and also coated the lower intake manifold. And customer went ahead and picked up some stage 2 comp cams and some springs, two retainers right here. We're gonna go ahead and get that put back together. Pull these back off. We pull the timing cover off. Everything's just kind of mocked up right now.